Hey everyone, welcome to the video. In this video I'm going to show you how to execute SQL files in VSCode using the MySQL extension and the JetBrains IDEs with the JetBrains database connector. So the first step, let's have a SQL file. I have a test SQL file here. As you can see on VSCode, this file is automatically recognized by the SQL extension. Each statement has an execute button. As you can see, I can click on the execute button to execute this statement, and I see the result at the bottom. Let's insert some elements by clicking on the execute button here. And as you can see, we got the confirmation that we were able to insert 3 rows. Let's do another select star. As you can see, we have the new rows here. And then let's do this in the JetBrains IDE. As you can see, we have another file called test.jetbrains.sql, and JetBrains is also able to automatically recognize it, but it might tell you to configure the SQL dialect. This is going to help JetBrains recognize the commands that you're writing so that it can help you write the commands. Let's change the dialect to MySQL because we'll be writing MySQL queries. Click OK. And then we want to do localhost. And it's already recognizes the session. And then it's telling us that unable to resolve students. Let's select our schema to be the school database. Schema. Okay, as you can see, the database is now introspected, and then there's no warning up here anymore. What does that mean? That means that the database, the JetBrains is now able to understand our database. So if you were to write an incorrect table name, it's going to tell us that that table name is not found. Or if you were to put in a wrong column name, it's going to warn you that that column is not found. So you can see we don't have any red highlights. That means our query is valid, and then we can execute it line by line by double-clicking on the item and then clicking on execute. So you can see we're able to execute the select star statement, and then we can do the same thing for insert. And then we can do another select star to get the new rows. As you can see, we have the Timothy, Tim, and Timmy. And then if you want to execute the whole file, you can click on this button and then click the second option to execute everything. Thank you.